Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send BTC on Binance. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to your wallet. You'll need to find the Withdraw section, which is typically under Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet. This is where you initiate any outgoing cryptocurrency transactions. Make sure you have Bitcoin available in your chosen wallet before proceeding. Once you're in the withdrawal area, select Bitcoin or BTC from the list of cryptocurrencies. Next, you'll choose the correct network for your transaction. This is crucial. Selecting the wrong network could result in permanent loss of your funds. Common networks include BTC, which is the Bitcoin network, or BEP20, which is Binance Smart Chain. Always confirm the recipient's network. Now, carefully paste the recipient's Bitcoin address into the address field. Double-check every character to ensure accuracy. Then, enter the amount of BTC you wish to send. Be aware of the minimum withdrawal amount and any associated transaction fees, which will be clearly displayed. These fees vary depending on network congestion and the chosen network. Before finalizing, meticulously review all the transaction details, the recipient's address, the network, and the amount. Binance will then prompt you for security verification, which might include two-factor authentication codes from your email and Authenticator app. Complete these steps to authorize the withdrawal. Your Bitcoin will then be processed and sent to the specified address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.